Hey traders, thank you for joining us for another live webinar for 24FX Academy. 24FX Academy is a financial data and news portal discussion forum. So anything that we talk about is not investment nor tax or legal advice or trades or any trading instrument that we do talk about. It's just our mere opinion on the market and how we view our own investments. So we're going to jump in it today. Get into some fundamentals. I'm gonna handle that, and then Paul, my great partner, will be talking about the technical analysis. Um, so this week was pretty good. If we look at the data, I'm gonna actually change screens here if my trading platform will cooperate. Uh, the first thing I would like to talk about is the dollar index. I'm gonna pull the chart up, but I'm not gonna get into the technicals. Dollar index actually did not have a great week. It was actually down 0.270% for the week. And that's also pushed the strength for the dollar itself up. So it was pretty cool to see that. Let's get that up. DXY. So yeah, it had a high of 95.97 and a low of 96.09, as you can see here, creating a doji. And then we also had the 2-year yield, which actually had a positive turnout, which actually it moved up 1.64% for the week and a high of 2.857. Oh, I apologize. A high of 2.912 and a low of 2.857, opening at 2.908. And then we have gold, which actually was up 0.59% for the week, which did a great move, and I'll pull that up as well on the charts. Pushing off of last week's momentum, as we can see here. Opening at 1,225.30, within its range, having a high of 1,222,000. So it had a good move jumping into this cloud. And then we'll get into the major currency pairs. Paul will talk about those great currency pairs. But major fundamental news that we had last week was, in my opinion, for the U.S. session was the FOCM meeting. And I'll pull that up on my calendar. Wow, this is not user-friendly right now. There we go. So we get the trading economical calendar for last week. The major news that we have that impacted us. We had the retail sales month to month, which was not a big change. It actually was the same levels of last month of a 0.1% or 0.10%. And then we also had the inflation rates for the year to year for China. We had Great British Pound unemployment rates, which wasn't a big change. And then we had inflation rates for the year to year. Great British Pound actually went down, which they already knew. And then the FOMC minute, we talked about that earlier this week, wasn't a big move. Actually, didn't really affect any volatility in the market, unfortunately, due to last month they already had all these predictions. So it was a slow week for the U.S. dollar, but it kept it strong. Japanese yen, we had the balance of trade was not a positive outlook, and we have Australian dollar unemployment rate moved down, so that's a positive. So that was good. And yeah, and existing home sales doing negative for closing up the week, and Canada inflation rates actually decreased, so that was a good thing. So I'm going to pass it off to Paul, and he's going to get into the technicals.
Okay, very nice, Travis. Yeah, looks like, let's see if I can the screen here. Okay, good. Okay, I'm having here like the dollar sec in and look for BS on the dollar on the next week. Okay. But first of all, we want to show you like we're doing a very nice web page. Okay. We think we are going in the good direction. It's a lot of good stuff that we are working for. The link is 24fxacademy.com. And yeah, you can feel free to sign up for a free call, free consultation call. You're looking at my screen? Or?
Yeah, Paul, can't see your screen. There we go.
Oh, here. Okay.
Perfect.
Yes, 24fx, sorry about that, 24fx.com. And yeah, we're looking for giving some nice value and also some free services and paid services as well. And yeah, our philosophy as a group, as an educational company, we want to give a lot of value as we can for free, but at the end, well, we will have for sure some paid services as well. But at the beginning, you have the right will, of course, to register for our free Telegram channel. And you have some signals, some webinars, weekly webinars. We are doing 2 webinars a week, every Wednesday and Saturdays. And yeah, we have here, for example, the different services that we have, the trade alerts. We're working on a video library, very nice trading strategies and psychological trading strategies as well, if we can call it like that. And we have also one-on-one trading coaching, okay? Then this is the main 3 services that we are doing right now, okay? Right now for free, we have the Telegram channel, the alerts, and we have also the weekly webinars. But if you are interested in the near future to access for a video library or one-on-one coaching or want to know more about that, and you just register what is it? I think is
As services,
I think
you
it's
can register
services, and here to learn more, and you just go for for the page for the services, or you just
if you can sign up for the webinar, you can click the webinar link.
okay, you just sorry about that. In order to register for a webinar, you have to register here. It's very, very nice and simple sign up form. Okay, you just give it a name, the email, Instagram profile if you have, a Telegram, and you sign up for to be here live every week on the webinars. Okay, if you want to know more, if you are new to trading, if you have a lot of questions, you just take here, book a call. Okay, and here is a a normal calendar agenda. Okay, and you say, for example, okay, it works for me the Tuesday at this time, and we make sure to send you an email and a confirmation for a call. Okay, and it can be some informational one, and it can be also some basic education one. Okay. It's not directly into the system, all of that, but I think it's a very, very nice way to get started into the Forex, or to choose if you to be, to get some more knowledge and some more understanding of the system that we are doing, and to see if you really want to pay for that or not. It's also good before you pay any services. You just get a clear picture of that, okay? Then, well, it's a lot of work that is behind here. We also planning to do some blog, okay? And we will update like a weekly forecast for major economic data in the coming weeks, and also some new Elliott wave analysis. Very nice and very clear, okay? With that being said, hope you like it, and hope you just give it a look at the website. Will be great for us, and maybe great for you as well, okay? Okay, thank you, Todd. We are here also here in the Instagram live. Thank you, Todd. Hope you like it. With that being said, well, I'm looking here at the dollar. I like to have a look at the dollar index, but we can have a look also, for example, at the dollar sec. Okay, it's a little bit more aggressive, but we just stand with the dollar index. It's a basic one, a classic one. Okay, and it looks like we are in the middle of nowhere. Okay, it looks like the dollar can be more to the upside or can retrace a little bit more to go to the upside. Yeah, it's a very bullish momentum in the dollar, but it looks like we can have some more retracement, or it can go up and then retrace. You know, something tricky market right now to trade. But if we just place here very simple a trend line, you know, we just place here, for example, the support level or this trend line here. It looks like we already broke this area, yeah, and we are making here maybe some ABC pattern. Okay, we have here some 5 waves to the upside. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, maybe some A, B, and maybe we can go to the C, okay, and to go to the upside. This C wave is always very tricky because it can retrace below the low, or it can just stay. We can also have the C already here, you know, or it can just go here, okay. Then we will look for price action in the next week and to make a decision where to place our investments in the direction of the dollar, okay? But it looks, we just place a Fibonacci from the 5th wave to the A wave, okay? Looks like we are in 61.8, 78, okay? Better prices to buy can be, for example, here, this price action zone. Okay, it can be a very nice point to go long for the dollar, or just wait for some more, you know, some breakout here or breakout of the high. Breakout of the high is not very nice to trade, you know, because once they break, they will turn down as well. Okay, most of the times they do. For example, here in the breakout, you know, they break, they turn, you know. Then we prefer to see the dollar coming down and look for this side or maybe this side to go to the upside, yeah? It's even better. As soon as we see, for example, some price action and some confirmation in these particular cases, we just have to be patient and to look for clear opportunities into the market. We are looking at the daily right now, and yeah, if we have a look at the euro dollar, this is the complete opposite of the dollar index, of course, okay? We just have like a clear similar pattern as well. Let's delete all these things here. And maybe we have here the first wave. It looks like we have here a very, very nice support level. Then if the dollar index starts to going up, the euro dollar will come down for this area, but I don't think that we will close below this low, okay? I think this is a very, very potential bullish momentum maybe in the next week, in the next couple of weeks, but we should wait and see some price action. What does it mean? Maybe some breakout of the trend line, you know, maybe some correction, and maybe look for this trade. You know, we have to wait some more days in order to see the price just confirm the bullish momentum. If you just go by here, it's quite complicated. It could go up, go down, you know, and we just go into the mess. You know, we don't want that. And sometimes you have to wait for the best setups and for the perfect setups instead of placing bets before the time. You know, let the market decide, and then just go with the trend, just go with the biggest, yeah. And then it's basically our view for this week. if you sign up, for example, for the Telegram channel, you will receive some more information and some detailed weekly or intraday charts as well. And well, we are happy to have you here. And if you have some questions also in the YouTube channel, just let us know. Write a comment, subscribe, give it a like if you like it. If not, better don't give a unlike, okay? But it's fine, okay? With that being said, I think we are done for the webinar today. Travis, you have something to add, maybe?
I just want to say thank you for all the listeners and all the support that everyone has been giving us for 24FX Academy. And just keep on trading and stay positive, guys.